Hi guys! This is my tutorial for a glittered galaxy swirl tumbler. I have already sanded and prepped my tumbler using an 80 grit sanding block and Rust-Oleum 2x Ultra in semi-gloss black. Now we'll use our white spray paint to place where we want our galaxies to go. We'll be going in a diagonal direction, and placing this white paint will really help our glitter colors pop. While our paint dries, let's mix our glitters. We'll be mixing several colors for our deep space, inner space, outer nebula or galaxy, and our inner galaxy. We'll also be using black, silver, and a chunky silver to add some depth and some sparkle. About 10 milliliters of epoxy on this 32-ounce plump from the Steel Magnolia. We'll be blending and layering our glitters, so we'll need more epoxy than we usually would for the epoxy method. Using our spray paint as a guide, add your glitters. I like going from dark to light, blending my colors as I go along. Let your glitter layer cure, then seal it with a coat of Krylon Triple Thick to keep our glitter where it is. Seal with a coat of epoxy, and we'll be ready to add some more depth to our tumbler using Micas and Mica Flakes. Reminiscent of when we made the black opal, I want the current glitters to shine through, but also give the look of deep, dark space in areas. I lightly go over the darker parts of my tumbler and swirl, pat, and smear the micas until I have the look I want. We'll add some meteors, planets, space debris, I don't know you guys. I like to think of them as mini solar systems on the outer edge of the galaxy. It gives the whole tumbler a really cool look. The opal micas that we'll be adding, we're gonna add those right in the middle of our galaxies, just to add some color and depth. When you have everything how you like it, let this layer cure and we'll be ready to add our nebulas. I currently already have about 20 milliliters of epoxy on my tumbler and I've zapped the bubbles with my torch. Now I'm ready to add my micas and epoxy. I'm going to use purple for my nebulas, but you can use any color you'd like. Blue, pink, or a mixture of both would look gorgeous. I don't want my nebulas to move too much, so I'll be using my kitchen torch to pop any remaining bubbles. For the inner portion of my nebula, I wanted it to be brighter, almost like a star was shining on them. Woody's Goodies has these magic peacock micas that show up beautifully on a dark background, and this violet shade is perfect for my nebulas. Let this layer cure, and then we'll be ready to add our decals. Add your final coats of epoxy, and then you'll be all done. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Have fun making your galaxy swirl tumblers, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!